on, Blue. Good. Good.
Hi
Nice.
everybody, welcome back to our
See if you
channel
like
again.
it.
This is
This is your first
another
baby ball.
longer video that was originally made for potential puppies owners from this litter. This is their first time working one-on-one and not as a pack. And here is every puppy separately, testing and checking the interest in a ball, prey drive, interest in a tag, toy, and food. First time they gonna test a hot dog. So again, this is a longer video as it requires patience to start up the puppies, and it's uncut, each puppy separately. They will get now 2 sessions one-on-one every day for this week, and we will see how they progress by the end of the week. We decided to leave this video public and open. I hope you enjoy to watch the differences between them.
Good. Good. Yeah. Good. Ooh. Of course, grabbing the string because it's the softest spot. But at least he shows interest. A little bit later, teach him to grab the ball itself.
Engagement is another very important thing that checking here to see how much is the puppy willing, wanting to stay in the game and interact with me.
That he's just interested in chasing this. This is already a good thing and a big deal. Okay, you win. Yeah, you win. Good. 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 Winning circle. Good. Good boy. Good boy. And you open your mouth, you lose. And the game starts again. Good. Very good. 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 I like that he's quiet, not too growly. That's very good. Nice. Oop. Good boy. All right. Let's see different toy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we like that. Ooh. Oh man. Good. Good. Cannot shovel it in his mouth anymore. Nice and full. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Good, you win.
Kill it.
Nice, nice, nice. Nice chase. Wow, that was quick spin for you, big buddy. Good. Good. Okay. All right.
Kill it.
Yep, I'm gonna go get a hot dog 1 second. And this is gonna be the first time the puppy meets his best friend for life, a hot dog.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hold on to the fingers. Woo! Where did it go? Where did it go? Nice. We have a food drive too. Nice, nice. Okay. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Where did it go? Come, come, come. Right here. Come, 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 come. Yes. Good. Good. You got lost for a second, huh? You got lost for a second. Good. That's my fingers. Good. Yes. Nice. Nice. Yes. Good. Yes. Good. Yes. Good. Yes. Good. Okay. Come, 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 come. Nice. Good boy. Nice. Good. Ow! Yep, we're good here. We're good here. Hopefully you're not gonna have diarrhea. Yeah. Nice. Good. Okay, start. Why? Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, yellow boy. Okay. Let's test you also. This is the first time Papi see a ball. Nice. Nice. Oh, killer. Killer. Check that out. This one grabbed the ball right away. Nice. Nice. Up. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Super puppy. Super puppy. Super puppy. Super puppy. Very nice. Very nice. You win. Let's play. Nice. Good. Super puppy. Super. Super puppy. You win. Let's play. Good. That's what we want. That's what we want. Nice. Up. You lost. Let's chase begin. Oh no, you already above that. You learned to grab the ball, you're gonna be grabbing only ball. Those canines are big. Yeah. Nice, good boy, good fix. Up. Nice. Oh, that was beautiful regrip. Good. That's very nice.
That's enough of the ball for you. That's enough of the ball for you. Look what I got. Look what I got. You gotta open your mouth if you want this too.
He's not.
Huh?
I want both.
Yep. Ah, made the choice. Made the choice. Ooh. Nice. That's a good puppy. Good. 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 Good puppy. Good. 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 You win. Good. This is their first time playing one-on-one without the pack. When they're all together, of course, they all do everything together like a mafia. Bite, jump, chase. And a lot of time one-on-one, they show totally different behavior. So I'm very happy to see this is still there. Good, you win. Okay, I'm gonna go get a hot dog. Let's see the food drive. Hey, hey, happy. Oh yeah, what do you think about this? What do you think about this? So this puppy need to figure out what the hot dog is. The blue boy simply attacked it right away. Look at this, I'm bleeding. And this one need a minute to figure out the taste. Look at the tail going. Come on, nice, nice, nice. Come, 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 come. Have a bite. Have a little bit patient, let him chew on it. You like it, do you? Okay, let's follow it. Good, good, good. So this puppy definitely have less for now. Hopefully he'll learn the test and learn to grab a little bit more. I like them much more piranha. Good puppy. Nice. Nice. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. Ouch. This is just the training thing. Nice. Okay. Your hot dog is over. Tasting good, isn't it? Good job, man. Okay. Okay. This is a red boy. Wait. He just lost his collar there. So we gotta go find it. Come on, let's see. This is you first time ball. Okay. Nice, very good. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Good. Nice chase on him. Nice sight. Nice spray drive. Good boy. You win. Come here. Come play. Come here. Yeah, nice. Good job, man. Yeah. Oop. Bouncing the ball with the front legs up.
Come on, grab the ball. Grab the ball. Okay. I'll give it to you. Nice. 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 You win. Come over. Good. Yeah. Okay. This puppy is getting a little bit destructive. Faster than the yellow boy, but he have nicer chase. Okay, let's see the other. Oh, nice, nice. Nice, red boy. Nice. Wind circle. Whoa, nice grip on it. Run. Good. Shovel in his mouth. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, you win. I'm gonna go get a hot dog. Come on. Come on. Oh, nice. You're bringing it back. Come on. Yeah, let's play some more then. That was good move. That was good move. Nice. Super. Super. You win. Come back. Come on. Come on. Let's play some more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're so tough. Oh,
Tough
yeah.
guy.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead. You win.
What's with that little secret spot
Come
over there?
on. Come on, Pop. Let's play some more. Nice. Let's play some more. You're so tough. Oh, you're so tough. Oh, you're going to lose it like this. Nice. Good. Good. You win. Done? Okay. Let's do the hot dog. Hi, killer. Hi, killer. Hi, killer. Where did it go? We have a shark. Oh my God. Oh wow. What a difference between them all. Nice. Good. Come on. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Nice. Nice. Oh! Fingers, 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 fingers. Good, 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 good. Nice. Come. Good.
And I got fuzzy.
Yeah. And that's it. This is the piranha. Very nice. Very nice. I really like you, buddy. I really, really like you. Okay. Next wild child. The female, the only female in the litter. Hi. Hi. Good. Nice. You. Good. Good. She's also trying to grab the ball in the mouth. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. Yeah. Okay, you won. Oi. That was a tough one.
Watch.
Good girl. Good girl. Up. Nice, good girl, yeah.
That was nice.
You gotta hold on to it, you gotta hold on to it. I'm gonna take it. I think we have the tree fell down just now. I heard it. Wow, good girl. You win. Yeah, you lost. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. You will have a lot of ball in your life, I promise. Where did it go? Oh, you caught it before. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, you win. Killer. Little killer. Nice.
Nice. Regrip.
Nice, good girl. Good. Nice, you win. Good girl. Okay. Let's see the food. Let's see if she will bring back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. We'll teach you this later. How about this? What do you think? What do you think? I know, some like it, some not. Come here. Have some little taste and decide. Good. It's nice if they have both food drive and toy drive. More choices for training to reward them with. But some just need, hot dog is the main goal, and some just need to find a taste for it. She follows the food, that's good already. And a toy. Good girl. Here. You rather play, don't you? You rather play. Okay, all right. One more. One more. Started. This is a mini-me. He's the smallest of the group. Not because he is too small, but because the other one's little bit too larger than usually. And him, I'm very curious about him. Oh, nice. That was quick grab in the mouth. We have a hunter.
Pounce mode. On 3.
Come on, bark. Yeah, good boy. You got it. This boy always been more serious. Little bit of old soul puppy. He's the smallest one, but everyone respects him.
A little terror.
Yeah, he doesn't start shit, but he sure will finish if anybody pushes him. Good. Good. You got it. Kill it. Kill it. You win. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, good job. You might need a little bit time to figure it out, but his chase is nice. He have a fast muscle twitch, that's for sure. Good. Good. Oh, kill it. Kill it. You win. I'm gonna take it. Good boy. Good. You win. There you go. There you go. How about this? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Good. Okay, you win? You win? Nice. Wanna play more? Wow, you're so tough. Ooh. Nice, good boy. Come back. Nice. Nice. Good. You win. Come on. Come on. Come on. Where did it go? Good. Attaboy, you getting it. Yeah, you getting it. Once it's dead, he have no interest. It's like, give me the real thing. Give me your legs. So with this puppy, in the future, I will suggest to play possession games. The chase drive is there. Interest in ball is there. But he's a killer. Once he kill it, no interest. I steal it.
and I think he might need to poop. Yep. Okay, come on.
And could be that he been a little bit slow and reserved because he needed to go poopy. How you like the hot dog, buddy? Yeah, figure it out. Figure it out. He is actually have pretty decent food drive on nipple, on milk, on kibble. He been always first into the food and very passionate about his foods. So we will see how he will do with the hot dog once he figure out the taste of it. Good. Come. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Yes. Nice. Okay. He is in a stage of licking it more than grabbing it. Good. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep on moving, keep on moving. Nice. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. Good. 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 Okay. Come. Come, 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 come. Yeah. Good boy. Good. Very nice. Good. He'll figure it out. Come, 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 come. Good boy. He seems like not sure yet about liking it or don't liking it. So that's it. That's the first interaction one-on-one. Meeting a bowl, testing a hot dog. Everything was here for the first time. And we'll see how they progress in a week. All right, Mini-Me, come here. Okay.